Voiding a repair order payment. Some features discussed in this video are not available in all the editions of MaxxTraxx. Please visit scottsystems.com for comparisons between the different versions. Sometimes a mistake is made posting a repair order payment with the wrong payment type, wrong day, wrong amount, or other factors. MaxxTraxx makes it easy to void the payment and make the needed corrections. To void a repair order payment, go to the Quick Picks drop-down and select the Cash Drawer button. When the Cash Drawer window opens, select the View Current Cash Drawer Transactions button at the bottom of the window. Once in the Cash Drawer Transactions window, select the date range for the repair order you are looking for. This is the date the repair order payment was made. You can also select the transaction type from the drop-down if you want to filter the transactions further. On the left side of the window, highlight the repair order that you want to void the payment for. Note that the right side of the window will display the payment method, the amount, the check number if applicable, and a description. Before voiding the payment, you should write this information down in case you need it later. At the bottom of the window, you can click the View RO or Invoice button to verify it is the repair order in question. You cannot make any changes to the repair order at this point. In the lower left corner of the window, click on the Void Payment button. A warning window will pop up that tells you the payment will be voided and the repair order will be placed back on the service schedule with the completed status. Click Yes to continue. The repair order is now back on the main service schedule screen. In cases where the repair order was closed out by mistake, you can change the status to anything other than complete, so editing the repair order or continuing to work on the vehicle is possible. If you are just changing the payment date or method, simply go back into the cash drawer and correct the details, then apply the payment and post the repair order. Make sure to adjust the date paid to reflect the day you took the payment and review other details for accuracy. There is a situation where you cannot void a repair order payment. If the posted payment has already been deposited to your bank account in MaxxTraxx, you will get this notice. In this situation, the deposit must be voided first. Note the details of the deposit from the pop-up notice. Go to the Banking drop-down and click on the Check Register button. Select the correct bank account, then select the deposit that the repair order payment was part of. If you want to print the deposit details out, first click the Edit button. When the deposit window opens, click the Reports button and select either deposit slip or deposit slip detail. Back at the Banking Detail window, click on the Void button to delete the deposit. Once the deposit is voided, you can now go back to the cash drawer and void the repair order payment. Once the payment is posted, go back and post the bank deposit again. If the repair order will not be posted for a while, you can make the deposit without the repair order being on it. Please note that there are many laws that vary from state to state on what can be done once a repair order is completed and the customer paid the bill. Before you make any changes to a paid repair order, you should check with your local legal authority or regulating body. We hope you found the preceding video helpful. MaxxTraxx team members are readily available to provide personal assistance via several methods as shown here, Monday through Friday, 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time. Thank you for watching.